Okay, good evening. It is day 96 of coding every day. Um, Sorry about yesterday's video. It was, um, it was something. But feeling better today. Um, so big news. Got the got an invite to the final round interview for um, that internship I was talking about at um, that company. Um, so got to prep for that. I don't have a date yet. They wanted me to put in my availability, and then they'll kind of like schedule me around. So it was. So the whole thing is like it's four 30-minute interviews. I'm pretty sure the recruiter said it would be like with not even just engineers. Like she said, like some could be like project managers or something like that. So I'm not totally sure how that's all gonna work, um, but yeah, exciting. I'm assuming this is going to be my only shot for an internship. I mean, this is the only thing that's responded to me all year. So, and it's nice that the one shot, I was given, I'm at the final round. So, but I need to do good on this final round. So, um, I don't know what that's going to entail for prep. It's not any coding or whiteboard stuff. They said it's purely behavioral and like technical, verbal technical questions, which I don't know. It's kind of weird because they have a wide variety of technology that they list on the job description, like everywhere from like web development to machine learning to database stuff. So just a lot that I'm gonna have to look at, and also, oh my god, um, something. So the resume that I submitted. One second. Sorry, my hair's pissing me off. Um, so um, um, I literally lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, talking about the actual interview prep. Yeah, I don't know exactly what I should be prepping for. So I think it's just gonna be. Oh no, I remember what I was talking about now. My resume that I submitted. So it has my research I did last summer. It has like um, I think the project of what is actually my resume that I submitted. Resume. Okay, yeah. So it's okay. I mean, I can show you. This is the resume. Um, you can kind of see it. I guess. I guess it'd be whoa. Better to do that. Um, so like, this I can talk about pretty well. This is just this. But okay, so these two things. I have not built this out yet. The only thing that is working is the very basic local generation of Manum code, and even that's like hit or miss. So this first point is good, except not full stack yet, but and not JavaScript. Well, the front end is JavaScript. Um, but microservice architecture, nope. S3, no. SQL, no. So we're gonna have to do some work on that app so I can talk about it better. And then Auto Docker, design a CL tool for Docker generation. Um, it's technically it works if it's only one file. I haven't set it up for compose files of like bringing together parts, right? If it's a full stack application, you literally have to run it on the front end, the back end, and then write your own compose file. Um, so I need to work on both those projects this week and make sure that they're fresh in my mind and I can really talk about them. And then I need to look into Um, I mean, 1 second. Okay. No, that's not what I wanted. So this was the actual posting for what I applied to. And so HTML, Python, C++. Oh yeah, object-oriented stuff is definitely going to be a subject of talk. And then Java, XML, SQL, and Linux. I mean, I should have, I guess, basic Linux, stuff, knowledge. I think it's going to be mainly object-oriented questions. I think they'll talk about some SQL stuff, and then some just like front end, whatever. So I think just being able to talk about my projects in really good detail and maybe kind of cater it towards their not towards their technologies, but I just talk about it in detail and sound interested about what I made. Will probably be the best route. And then just prepping for object-oriented questions and like database / front end stuff. Yeah. So yeah, exciting, nerve-wracking a little because, like I said, I know this is probably my only chance to get the internship for this summer, and I really want an internship this summer. It'll be pretty devastating if I don't get one. So, and if I get it, I can stop the series. So, yeah. As for working on what to work on today, I don't know. Obviously, probably just going to do elite code. I need to work on my computer architecture stuff because we have to do our demo next Wednesday. And I want to get DRAM done. Because I also need to ask my professor some questions because, whatever. I had some 230 work, computer system principles. So, I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm going to pause for a second here and actually, like, look at what, like, needs to be done and look at that. So, yeah, I'll be right back, and then we'll get into whatever I decide. All right, sorry about that. Okay, we're going to work on computer architecture project. But before we start coding, I need to look and get some more context on what my professor's actually looking for. Because I'm still, like, I guess confused. I haven't seen this yet. And then I want this again. And this again. That doesn't do anything for me. And I just made the program that includes representations for all the internal state machines. It can load a machine program from a file. The instructions. DRAM takes 100 cycles to respond. So I guess I don't understand, like, Related memory and cycle count, function to store, function to load. Yeah. Okay, so the loop says we have a string called command. Then we have a function called run. And this is just a while true. And if you set this, okay, yeah, that's. And what was this one? So I guess for now I can just do something like this, right? Just a loop. Okay. So I guess let's do something like not download, CD desktop, right? Database coding U neovim get status. Okay, we're on DRAM still. I don't want to work with this. I think we're gonna have to do API based stuff later because we have to make a user interface. Something I wanted to do though was go into simulator, and I wanted to make a file for running it. Right. So what, loop.c? For now, let's just do, I'm already in neovim. Memory.c. So I think I want to deal with this kind of differently. I want it to be kind of like, we should have like a global variable within the simulator that is like, how do I make a global variable in C? Do I want it to just be something that can be used between files though? Or do I want it to be something that's actually like passed? So like in the actual simulator, right? In the loop. Like, no, I don't think so. I think the whole idea here would be something. Here, let me go actually to the loop. Let's see. And so I need to do. I think I only. What is the unordered app? I definitely don't need. Just give me this and namespace. That's all I need. Okay. So I'm fine with a cycle count. Which, what, just an integer cycle count? And then an integer for the delay. Okay. And so I want a function that is, I mean, returning nothing, right? It'll be like a void Okay, let me make just 2 of these. Simulation loop. It's not like it takes anything in, right? We just call it to the simulation loop. While true. Actually, how did it set this up? While true, see out. Does it not just like continually while true? I guess it's just waiting, right? Actually, that's not bad. And then a cin of the command and okay, get me out of here. And so we take in the command, and then this is just a switch statement. C switch. What was the syntax? Okay, so a switch on command. Case. I mean, in the case that we type in right, or I guess it's just this. In the case of this could be a stupid question. This is what? Sir, yes, sir. Okay. I see. So let's do memory.h. So actually, before I do all this, let's flesh out the rest of this. So I'm going to get rid of these delays, because this is going to be something in response to whatever. And then we're going to have none of this anymore. So I wonder actually did this implement a like clear show cycles, load, store? No.
One day you're on top and the next she having your baby. Living life like this, I get down. When they come around, I do my best to fall back and not make a sound. Feel like my mind gone, but I'm still here. Don't fuck around cause they kill here. This music, it kill fear. I use it when I need to hear. Been there, done that. Drop the shit, they gon' run it back. Simple shit, man, I'm done with that. Fake rap, take it back. My chain heavy, got a lot of money. My bitch bad, have fun with that. I've been there and don't want it back. If I see the bitch, I might run it back.
So I wonder if I did, this is just more like a C question. Here, if I said, like printf, what would it be? DRAM.memory at, I don't know, 20. So yeah, it's 0. Okay, so that's not a thing in... Makes sense. Then obviously I go like this and I compile it. Yeah, okay, so it's all 0. So just flipping it to a 0, but that's like so repetitive to like... I mean, I have such a big array size, right? So... Yeah, I don't see how you could ever do this in less than O of n time. Unless you kept track of your writes. I mean, it doesn't matter here. I feel like you'd never, like... So I don't want a return, right? I kind of just more so want a void clear memory. It's going to take in DRAM. That's it. And then we're just going to say... For I equals 0, as long as I is less than, it's going to be DRAM.length. I don't know what C length is. Size of? I should have known that. I think I actually have that in here somewhere. Anyways.
Making a single before your album is like putting together a trailer for a movie you have yet to shoot.
Just for testing, I'm just going to set this to like 50. So honestly, like here, if I did like a write to memory with DRAM and like 29, right? Read from memory just gives us the value back, but we do. If I, before I put this in, right? If I print off, actually, if I say this again, basically. If I say for the size of DRAM, print do you have to wait? I'll literally just say get in the way. And if I literally just call clear memory. Oh, yeah, that is true. Do I really need to say? Sorry, no, this would be DRAM.memory because it's actually called that. So does this give an error? Print memory value. Print F. Got me there. What was that saying? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I do have to specify that I want this. Whoa. What was I printing off beforehand? Oh, so this should be... C in string num print. God, it's... Okay, at, let's say... Can you do multiple arguments? Like, can I do this? Oh, I should have deleted these first. Oh, God. Also, I just want this to go to 50. One second. Yeah. Ooh, good. Oh, you literally just do both of the arguments here. But in here, you would say the first decimal. Oh, I remember doing this in like Java or something. That's a little concerning. This is going 1 through 100. I don't think this will change anything except for going down to like... Okay, so interesting. So 24 is getting placed at 29, and then all of a sudden I have 44, 45, and 46. What are these 3 fucking random values? Oh, you know what it could be? 350. No, it's the same. Oh yeah, why aren't I not just doing DRAM size? Ooh, wait, I like that as well. I love ChatGPT. Instead of doing this, we'll say return 0, and otherwise just return this. Yeah, and for all of this, instead of doing, just do DRAM size. Oh, wait. You know what it actually probably was? Let me just go back all the way, and I'll redo it in a second. I bet I know what it was. If I change this to 48, I think it fixes it. Nope. Oh, wait, but then that is... Wait, what happened? Actually, I should probably just... I don't know why I'm doing this. Let's do that. I need to get more agile with Vim motion. Because, like, using my mouse is just so inefficient. Okay. And that I fixed it. Except... at 29... Or, sorry. Oh, wait. Oh, you know why? Fuck. Or actually, I can just do DRAM.memory at 50. Why? 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 Whoa. So it initializes, and it still has these values when it's initializing. You actually think this is the issue? No shot. Yeah, no, it does nothing. Nothing, and then okay, it worked. Whoa. That's cool. Wait, if I just say static? Cool. Oh, I get it. I don't know why I'm so dumb. This thing's on a loop calling foo over and over again. By just declaring it static, it it will like change um like you increment it by 5 here and then you print it, right? And then it keeps its like incremented value when it goes back to, to the outside call. Okay, okay. It's been a long time since I've worked with low level stuff, okay? Please give me some slack. Uh, um so this clears, we're good, and then a function to print off. What I wanted to do was something that just prints off just prints off a specified location in memory. And that's it. So it's going to return a uint 16t. But that's my read, though. Didn't he? Oh, this was something I wanted to look. My professor, the lecture my professor had today. Oh. Okay. Yeah, caches are cool. Okay, this is what I wanted. A memory is an array of binary values. Okay. Take addresses and has commands to read and write. Read returns data. Write serves data. Has an access time. May also return a wait. A cache has a pointer to the lower level memory. Okay. On first attempt of a given read or write, note address and stage and return wait. RAM and cache need to be implemented. Command line. Show, read, write, and view. So this is the thing. I guess view will take. Honestly, let's store this as an actual binary. Why are you over here? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's stored as, so I guess a function. What I kind of want to do here is, we're gonna have something that's going to return. I guess it could be yeah, I don't see anything wrong with doing it this. So it's going to take in our pointer to the DRAM reference, but it's also going to take in the address. I guess that's it. It's the same thing as reading from memory, except what I want to do is, I guess this is where it would come in, where I would say, so what I want to do is I want to turn this return value, Okay. So we have return value, which is just like an integer. So k modulus 2 plus 10 times a recursive call. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you know what? I could do a call to read from memory. Eh. Actually, I could say and when I put through the address again, I guess we'll find out. Hear me out. I guess I can make this a Boolean, right? C Boolean. I just want to know how to declare. Just bool. Just bool. Where was I? So if flag, then we want to do a read from memory. What is this returning again? So what now I can do? Sorry, false. That is... No, lowercase. So return k if k equals 0. Sorry, question mark. Also, this is not k, this is value. then return the value. Otherwise, oh, not sure. So if I say, let's not clear memory this time, and let's do, actually I don't care about any of these prints. Let's view raw memory passing through DRAM. Let's see how many errors we get. Unknown type name bool. Oh, yeah, okay. My bad. Let me include the Boolean package. That's on me, Jit. Wow, that's a lot of... So if I pass in the reference of this into here, and this is a pointer, can I just then say just DRAM, you think? No. So what was expecting on 24? So the read from memory is expecting... It was expecting, what, a pointer? But it just got DRAM. Segmentation fault. Wonder why. Maybe because this is the messiest thing ever. I don't know why I just did that. I have to end this video soon, actually. I can upload it anytime. Okay, so this is what I had originally. Yank. Okay. Um, a right shift. Okay. Start with our value, which is this, which would be this. Leftmost bit at 15. Each bit shift. And 1. Okay, so for int I equals 15, as long as I is greater than or equal to then this, we keep going, we keep incrementing. (15) minus index value with a right shift of I. I just don't get the and 1. Or, so this value and 1. Well, let me think about it. So this is saying it's equal to 1. Oh, of the and operator. So if it is 1, you just return 1. And if it's 0, you return 0. Is that not, can you just not just take? Okay. Oh, sorry. I mean, can I not just do a string here? Like, let's be honest here. Okay, so it is, you just say a char. Got it. Okay. Let me turn. Um. Okay. And then I'm not returning anything. I'm just updating it. Oh. Well, I don't know if that's, well, that's not too right. I need to end this video. How long have I been going? Hour 20. Oh, yeah, you got me there. You got me there. I was printing that as a decimal. Okay, beautiful. Now again, no idea. Yeah, I still need to flesh this. I'm gonna do this after I end this video. I still have no idea though what my like professor is expecting in terms of how this is actually functioning, because this feels like really abstracted. I'm manually turning an integer into a binary string to print it. Really? That's what I should be spending my time doing? So I'm probably gonna send him an email and be like, yo, I'm probably doing something wrong here. So anyways, I need to end this because I need to upload this before midnight. A few more days until day 100, so exciting, I guess. I really hope this interview goes well, either next week or the week after. I really hope. I don't want to be a bum that didn't get an internship his junior year, so I'm still gonna apply to stuff like this week and this weekend. I think I'll give up end of this month on like applying to stuff, but I'm hoping I give up before then because I got an internship. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna end this, upload it, and then work on this more tonight, and then update you tomorrow. Tomorrow I have nothing going on, so maybe a long video to make up for yesterday. We'll see. But take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.